you fit any tyre to your electric vehicle? Well, EVs have unique characteristics, so whilst you may be able to fit some tyres, you can't fit all of them. And here's why. Firstly, the tyre must meet the legal requirement of load and speed rating for the vehicle. Because EVs are not only heavier due to the batteries, but also have increased torque, the tyre must be able to meet the demands of the electric vehicle. Range is also a huge factor as an EV owner, so having a tyre with a lower rolling resistance is going to improve your energy efficiency. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to make sure your garage stays up to date on the latest tyres and industry advice. Lastly, the noise. Because EVs don't have an engine, road noise is more noticeable. So finding a tyre with a lower noise rating is going to give you a more comfortable and quieter ride. When it comes to choosing the right tyre for your electric vehicle, make sure you've considered all of the options to ensure you are safe and comfortable. If you need any help, don't hesitate to get in touch.